Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is something related to nature. This video is so relaxing. Please do not skip, watch till the end. Yeah, you can see beautiful place here. It is full of greenery and the birds are flying. I think now you came to know what is this. It is a Creek Park bird show. Yeah, see the macaws. So relaxing it is. So beautiful birds here. The show gonna start in next couple of minutes. Watch it and enjoy. See this cute little macaw. It's opening some cards. Let's see what is inside. Oh, this pretty macaw is welcoming us. It's so cute. Let's see what's next. The stands are placed here. Oh, there you go. 3 trainers with 3 birds. Oh, birds are dancing for the music. Very nice. See that little parrot? It is turning around the stick. And the trainers are dancing just to entertain us. Now it's turn for the birds to dance again. Oh, parrot is so active. That is all. We'll wait for the next activity. Oh, say this bird is matching the shapes on the wooden board. Oh, it is also throwing the trash in the dustbin. So nice. It is very well trained. Oh, this bird is speaking. Oh, kids are picking up the cards. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Oh, two cards. Dolphin card and the zebra card. He shuffled all the cards and placing on the table. Oh, I think this bird gonna pick those two cards. Oh wow, that's correct. What about the next? Let's see. Oh, this is also correct. Very nice. Oh, there is an activity. These kids are holding it. Oh wow. Wow. Oh, this is to show just how to interact with the birds. This is my husband. He's shocked when the host called him.
Straight without moving. Remember, do not move your hands. Straight next to you. The bird will eat two pieces. You should close your palm quickly. Very important to close your palm after the bird finish. Two mama shouldn't be scared of birds.
Oh,
To
we
try
need to hold
this.
the hand like
Mama,
this.
raise your palm.
The male and the
Just
female.
keep
With
on
the two
holding
cats
hand
by
like
the
this.
size of the mouth. The small mouth is a girl, the big mouth
I
is a
didn't
boy.
stand because
So
I'm
you
getting
need a
scared
small
of
mouth
birds.
is always to grow.
Thank you.
The toucans also, they cannot fly for long distance. They can fly only like 40 to 60 meters at a time.
Yes. Look, DJ.
What she's doing.
All the girls
Oh,
do
you
this
have
all
to
the
close
time.
in
She
your hand
is
because we are
anchored in the
going.
sky. But these are hawks, but it's a family of falcons.
Yes, to recognize the male and the female. When they have a baby, sometimes the father tries to kill the baby. The mother always saves the baby, so the big size, the mother. حجم كبير للأنثى.
Hey bro, can you fly by?
This is a
It smells something.
falcon bird.
Kind of food.
I think you're right.
Pheroronic. Please tell everybody, what did you feed Eugene today? KFC chicken.
Spicy or regular?
He just wanted to show us
I will
this
choose
one.
this side.
Okay, who wants to support DJ and Ronnie? Raise your hand up.
We will win.
Who wants to support Matthew and Marlon?
You will lose.
Okay, let's check.
Let's play. Whoever comes first is the
Okay,
winner.
these two birds are gonna play basketball.
You got it.
Ooh,
Let's see how.
the fast
Oh,
and the
wow.
furious. The winner is my team.
Why your bird is so fast like this?
Because you drink Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Wow.
Yes, how about
Two
you? Bird?
times.
My bird.
Yeah,
Fasting.
until now.
Now the basketball is on table. Waiting for the birds to come. Here are the birds. Now they're playing with the rings. I think this bird gonna paint. Wow, it is painting. Done with the painting. See how beautiful it is. He's asking what kind of painting it is. The kid said it's a rainbow because it has multiple colors. Wow. This parrot is sliding, and this macaw is riding the bicycle. Wow. This is a shuffling game. Let's see what's going to happen next. This guy is so interactive and so entertaining. He wants some little girl to shuffle the balls. Oh, this macaw gonna pick the ball where it is. Wow, very nice. This is a Steeler sea eagle, the only one in Dubai. It is just 4 years old. He said it was so friendly to take the pictures. See, we have to hold this like this and you can take the pictures. It costs around 50 AED. This is the end of the show. I hope you liked the video. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.